But as you guys know, when I tap this, is few slots on the car. Okay, the first at 1000 RPM, that's the 91 tune, and the number 2 spot is the E30 tune. So whenever I do log my stuff, I usually always keep it for number 2. It's a beautiful drive. Oh, those downshifts are so good. I feel like it's a freaking pain in the ass driving at night because this thing is so obnoxious and so freaking loud. Like, it doesn't even sound good, but like, I feel like a lot of people are getting disturbed. I know I'd be mad. Alright guys, welcome back. Whenever I'm sitting here, it's usually when I'm buying new parts or I'm talking about my car. I mentioned in my previous video that I did say I'm going to buy a few more mods for the car. And especially these mods are really essential to the car. I should have bought them a long time ago. I was going to initially buy these parts, but as you guys know, once my car got towed to the Ford dealership after the engine blew up, so I never really bothered changing them again because I knew they put new fresh parts. But long story short, my car blew up 3 years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. The engine had head gasket and then the block had a little crack in it. So here I am, I'm purchasing NGK Iridium spark plugs. Let me show you guys. So here it is. I'm buying a set of 4, obviously, because it's a 4-banger, already pre-gapped ones. I don't want to go through the hustle of changing the size of them, especially the gap. Like, the difference is not even that much. I was looking at them. These are not pre-gapped, which are $29, and the pre-gapped ones are $41, which is not too bad at all. Yes, so I already have purchased these. They're gonna be here in a few days, maybe in a week at most. One of the things that I really wanted, and I actually needed them, but I never really had the chance to buy them because I assumed I already had brand new ones from Ford. And on top of that, it's a really cheap and first mod to do on your car that anybody can do. You don't really need a built Ecoboost, and they're a lot better. Okay, so the second mod that I have bought is the rear sway bars on my Ecoboost Mustang. Let me show you guys. So I am not sponsored by American Muscle, but I do want to be sponsored, so please send me a DM. But the sway bars were on sale and they're on clearance. Apparently nobody's buying them. I saw them for $180. I was like, oh, this is a good deal. If you guys don't know what these are, they're usually like, it goes behind and the rear of the car. You can buy front ones or you can buy rear ones. These sway bars usually help with oversteer. It'll help a Mustang not go to kill a crowd. It'll actually help the Mustang stay in its right place and go straight. Basically, you won't feel like the car is a boat. Like, it will make the car more planted, especially when you're going around turns. So another thing I see is that I see a lot of sway bars for sale online, especially in Facebook Marketplace. I was gonna go for something around there too, to find it online if somebody is selling theirs. It's more of a suspension part, and I don't know how long it's been used for. But what I do recommend for you guys is that if you guys don't want to spend $180 or more, it's usually about $200 something, you guys doing your research and actually find a sway bar on one of the forums on Facebook. They usually sell it for like a lot cheaper, usually about $100, And just make sure you guys do your research and see if the person that you're buying it from is not lying about how long they have put it on. Besides that, usually that's where the best deals are, especially for like sway bars, because I see them a lot, like way too many. I personally would go there. If this was not on sale, I would personally go to Facebook. I would rather buy it from there. I would do some research before buying it though. Alright, so just got a new tune from Ryan. He sent me a brand new tune. And he said he added ignition timing. So I believe this might be the version 2 PDV 2.3 with the stock high pressure fuel pump. So I usually don't make videos this late, but I was checking the weather and it said that it's gonna rain tonight and it's gonna rain for the next few days. So I can't drive this car for the next few days, so I was just like, okay, let me just get the tune done. So like I did before, just change this quickly to slot 2. Just confirming one more time. Yep, E30, good. Car started up, we're good. So I filled the car up with E85 with the 91 mixture. God damn, I'm like, if you guys were to look at it, I'm nearly to half tank. But I've only driven the car for 33 miles and I'm getting like 13 miles per gallon. That's an average. But like, look at it. So that basically means I'll be going through the entire tank in like 70 miles. It's not even like it's full E85. Like, I get it, but imagine if it was full 85. I'll probably be going through the entire tank in 50 miles. I just did a pull, bro. That shit was, I don't know. I don't want to show you guys because I think I showed you guys enough, but honestly, I'm not gonna show you guys any more pulls. I'm probably gonna just show you guys once the car is fully done. All I'm gonna say is that on third gear, the car gets close to 115 miles per hour. Like, that shit is crazy. I don't know what the stock full speed is. I don't know if it's like 140. I think it's around there. I haven't searched it up. But if you guys think about it, like if it's hitting 150 on third gear, fourth gear will probably be around like 140. 150, so there's 2 more gears. This is a 6-speed, but there's 2 more gears to hit full speed, and that shit is crazy. Like, it might get close to 200 miles per hour. I don't know, I don't want to quote that because that just sounds ridiculous, especially an EcoBoost. So the car is back in the garage. I'm probably gonna end the video right here, but I do have a package that came in yesterday. I'm probably gonna make the next video about it. I'm excited. I'm probably gonna install it in the next video as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.